Welcome to Cisco Unplugged. Hi, I'm Darshan Patel, Enterprise Technical Solution Architect, and today we are going to talk about AP image science certificate issues that are happening with iOS APs, like 3700, 2700. So before going there, let's talk about what happens. Through a different discovery request, AP tries to find wireless controller, and it receives the response once a controller responds back. Then it's trying to join the wireless controller and receive a joint response. So once it receives the joint response, the second thing it needs to do is to go ahead and try to look for where is the image and what information it is carrying. So the image and the files that it carries include but not limited to code, a signed hash, and then information about the certificate of, and that certificate is an image signing certificate. So what does it do? So AP files receive it. That AP image sign certificate is validated against Cisco public key. And the code that it receives has the hash algorithm, and the hash of the code, once it is there, it verifies with the decrypted hash that it uses to decrypt using the Cisco public key. So let's take a look into it step by step. And before getting there, this is an example about what files that it carries. As we can see at the top, that is an image followed by hash and AP sign certificate. So why the issue is happening? The iOS APs like 3700, 2700 has a valid certificate from December 4, 2012 to December 4, 2022 because we did not anticipate COVID or area where we have to go ahead and support access points, which is the right thing to do because of the supply chain issue. And in order to overcome this, we can use our NTP server. So let's take a look into NTP server in a minute. But before that, understand what are the steps out there. AP files are received along with AP sign certificate, followed by AP image sign certification is validated as it is highlighted in green. Once it is there, as it is, the Cisco has provided that, and Cisco verifies it with the help of a Cisco public key, and we are able to decrypt that hash and can compare that hash that, okay, this is good, and it can move forward to see that, hey, if you have a new image or not, and then it can go ahead and download the new image from the controller. So when could this issue happen? Either upgrading a controller or moving an AP from one controller to other, or if an AP is rebooted as well, that could be a possibility of having this issue. So the best thing to do it is how to overcome if you have come across this issue or if you have to move APs. The first thing to do it is to have your NTP server removed from your controller, then move the time back before December 2nd, 2022. That will let your APs come back and join your controller, and have little patience about once you reboot those APs, about 30 minutes, give that time to join it back. So once it joins back, you can reapply your NTP server. And that way, that is a temporary solution till we get a new image out very soon with the fix. Thank you.